As you can see here, I just did some temporary fixes here as that wire was damaged, was jumping around. I'm gonna replace that. Actually, I'm gonna fix it right now. You know what, I'm gonna pause the camera and fix that as at this moment. I'm gonna go get the crimpers. Okay, so as you can see, I got myself an cable here from another project. I had this left over. It's not brand new, but it's a proper cable, so we will have to do it here on the car. First, feed the cable through the pickup. As you can see here, I gotta cut this guy off. Okay, so we'll cut it off right there. Okay, and now I can get it out. So this cable is gone. As you can see, that's what was supposed to provide a proper power. Fun, eh? Well, I guess some people have ideas, but they do what they have to do to get the car going. That's another thing. So okay, I'm gonna take this off. Now this end comes here, so I need to feed this guy through. You know what, I'm just gonna okay, I'm just gonna get a clean cut here from the cable. Alright, drop that somewhere. It's just going on the ground, so pick it up later. Alright, and roughly we want to be somewhere here. Okay, now all I need to do is cut maybe that much of the cable to expose the wire. That's it, beautiful. Okay, and bend that over, back over the wire, spread it nicely, press it against. Now the tip goes over it with the wire side to the inside, and what you want to do is go almost to those springs, almost there. Now press this together, and I'm gonna have to use the use my side cutters just to press it in the place, and then so it fits properly into the crimpers. All right, so as you can see it, I just pressed it together a bit. Now you have those crimpers, they are really useful. I use them quite a bit. You know, it's so much easier to fix cables when you have them. You know, okay, let me move over so you can see it better. Okay, if you now, all I have to do is place this in right there into the crimper, and there's a special channel in there that will bend that in. So you just press that in just like that. That's it, and we have a nice crimp. That's it. Now here we go. I got the Magician in a tube. It's dielectric grease. Just put that on the cable, and right now look, it slides with ease, no issues, right? So okay, this is the guy that will go there. Here I think that's where I want to be roughly. See, that's a proper connector. I already put that dielectric grease there as well, so just a tub. And what do you want to do? You want to feel that click. You want to make sure that this is engaging correctly, and it is. So just make sure the rubber cup is on. it's on all the way. Yeah, sometimes it tends to pop if you don't press it all the way. Okay, good stuff. We'll route this guy somewhere here. I don't know if maybe I should somehow, you know what, just for safety I put underneath that vacuum. Have it run here. So now that we have this pressed in place, I'm gonna test fit it before I push this down. Okay, what I want to hear is nice click. This engaging grill is sitting in there, and it does. I could feel it. It's snapped in place and it's connected nicely. The metal is below the plastic cover. Now all I have to do is just slide this cup and everything is nice and secure. Okay, maybe that's a little longer. Who knows? Maybe next time I'm gonna shorten it a few inches like this. Who knows? It's good. Anyway, better to have an extra than not enough. Okay, good stuff.